This story is offered to you by Italian Short Stories Club, the Italian language learning program based on reading and listening to short stories in Italian, created by Italian Teacher Valentina. If you need more help and tools to learn Italian with audio stories, please wait until the end of this video for more information or click on the link in the description box. Learn Italian with audio stories. La colazione italiana. La colazione è un pasto molto importante per gli italiani. Una colazione tipicamente italiana consiste in una tazzina di caffè accompagnata da un cornetto. Il caffè è una bevanda calda fatta con caffè macinato e acqua bollente. In Italia si serve generalmente corto e caldo, in una tazza piccola, chiamata tazzina. Il cornetto è un tipo di croissant morbido e dolce. Solitamente si può scegliere tra diverse farciture come marmellata, cioccolato o crema. La gente prende spesso il caffè e il cornetto al bar, un posto dove si può bere caffè e mangiare qualcosa di veloce. In Italia ci sono molti bar e sono sempre molto affollati al mattino. Molte persone vanno al bar per fare colazione prima di andare al lavoro o a scuola. La combinazione di caffè e cornetto è molto popolare in Italia e rappresenta una tradizione importante. È un modo per iniziare la giornata con energia e gusto. Our story has come to an end. If you like to learn Italian with audio stories, please join my Italian Short Stories Club. The club is an Italian language learning program based on reading and listening to short stories in Italian. Imagine the club as a captivating serialized novel where you will follow the adventures of Jack and Mary, an American couple visiting Italy for the first time with the aim of reconnecting with their Italian roots. Reading and listening to short stories in Italian is one of the best methods to learn the language in a fun and exciting way. With the club, you will expand your vocabulary, improve your listening skills, train your ear for authentic Italian, learn real-life expressions and phrases, learn grammar the intuitive way without having to memorize the rules, enhance reading speed, and improve comprehension. In the club, you will find a range of resources and tools designed to make your learning effective and enjoyable. In addition to engaging stories, you will also find vocabulary lists, audio recordings, English summaries, real-life conversations, comprehension questions, and cultural insights. The club is designed for both beginner and intermediate students and will offer you a unique combination of entertainment and language learning tools. To access the club, please click on the link in the description.